Front Copilot's conversation summaries and conversation outlines help you understand any thread instantly without scrolling or piecing together details on your own. At the top of the conversation, you'll see the conversation summary. This is an AI-generated overview of the entire thread. It highlights the customer's main request, the important actions taken so far, and anything still waiting for attention. Instead of reading every message, you get a clear snapshot of what's going on as soon as you open the conversation. Just below the summary, you'll find the conversation outline. This breaks the thread into organized sections so you can quickly see what happened and when. Front groups messages into meaningful categories, giving you a structured timeline of the conversation. If you need more detail, click any item in the outline to jump directly to that part of the thread. This is especially useful when you're joining a long conversation midstream, reviewing recent activity after a handoff, or double-checking internal collaboration before replying. You can also filter your outline based on the types of activities in the thread. Together, conversation summaries and conversation outlines give you instant clarity. You can open any thread, understand the context in seconds, and move forward confidently, even if you're stepping into the conversation for the very first time.